is he doing? Wow. Oh shit. We got road rage going on right now, guys. This white truck is chasing the silver car, and the silver car just locked his brakes up and almost crashed. The silver car's been driving like a maniac. He might have hit him. He might have hit the white truck, and the white truck's going after him. I don't know. But the whole time I've been driving, the white car's been cutting everyone off, driving super fast, going absolutely insane. So he's at fault. He just ran a red light. Oh, they just hit each other. They just hit each other. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Hey, 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 bro, you've been driving crazy this whole time. I saw you. I got it on video, bro. Just leave. Get out of here. Yeah, I got it. You've been driving like a maniac. You okay, man?
I'm okay, but I'm not feeling
yeah. You want to pull it over to the side?
Yeah.
Pull over. Somebody's phone is laying here all broken. Oh, you just spit on him. Okay, bro, you have fun in jail. You just spit at him. I just stopped him from fighting. I just told him to get out.
Holy shit, that guy just...
Oh my god. Oh
he was going too fast.
Oh my god.
We got video footage.
Yeah, pull over.
It's the right thing to do.
Pull over.
Get there, make sure I'm there an hour early, and I gave the guy $40 or something to try to wait for a table to be ready to put little or private than the other tables in the coffee shop. And so here we go. I sit down, waiting. I ask her what her favorite coffee is ahead of time. You know, she shows up, sit down, with a great conversation for about 45 minutes to an hour.
Dude?
She said, "Hey, I want this thing, but do you need an agent?" I was like, "What?" What do you need an agent?
To negotiate.
Yeah, like the Pressfield thing didn't say. guys, I was like,
What are you
it was
fucking
very
doing?
obvious that it wasn't. They would have been great. You're not gonna pick. I'm not gonna make a wrong choice here, so it was really sense. I was very lucky. And the other one, younger, and Tom Clancy with Grisham. Grisham yet. Bigger agency. But also ICM. It's out here in Hollywood as well. And it was such a tough decision. It was like a final rose ceremony. I haven't broken up with someone in 20 years, but I felt like I was breaking up with someone because I was so invested. Are you okay?
Oh, whoa, nice one. Wow. Yeah, nice one. Yeah. Well.
Love to see that car in the junkyard, Bruce.
Oh my gosh.
On dash cam.
Oh my gosh. Wow.
Okay,
Oh
I gotta
my God.
save this.
I've been a Christian since I was 12, and I walked with God.
No one with a mask. This fucker. that van.
No, it's him. It's fucking this way. It's going over this way.
Just smashed his mirror.
Here we fucking go. Fucking dickhead.
God, that's a bummer you have to wait so long.
Yeah. So. I just got into an accident.
You just got in an accident?
Yes. Well, pull over then. Might want to get off the road.
Oh my god.
Holy.
Want your dash cam clip featured on a DCTV episode? You can send it here on DCTV. It's simple and easy. For more details, have a look at the description below. Help everyone learn from your experience. I'm Ann and this is Nicole. Thanks for watching. Bye.